Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. Today, this video is not sponsored by Temu, but I am trying one of their curly products. So, curl defining cream, leaving non-sticky, hydrates and eliminates frizz. I thought, right, Temu are making their own curly girl products. I mean, I love this little picture. Isn't that nice? I was like, do they know about our curly hair? I know it's the hype right now. My whole channel's on curly hair. Why not try one of their products? So I ordered it. I tried to look it up on the website for the ingredients, but I promise you I couldn't find the ingredients, which is why I was like, just order this. And now, looking at the ingredients, I am seriously disappointed because there's silicone. I stopped using silicone and sulfates in my products for years. If I ever use it, it's by mistake or someone wanted me to try out a product. So they have two silicones, dimethicone and amodimethicone, and all the other things on here I don't even know what they are. I'm going to put the ingredients up for you to have a look, see what it's all about. But so I've been arming and ahhing whether I try this. I'm going to try it only once because I don't like putting silicones in my hair, and next week I'm going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse to get all the silicones out, because yeah, you know, silicone creates a film on your hair, like a plastic film, and then nothing else can penetrate into it. So if I wash my hair and do all these amazing things with great products, they'll do practically nothing because my hair now has a film on it. That's how I get balled up. So I have to use a clarifying shampoo or something to remove it, which is why I'm going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. If you haven't seen my apple cider vinegar rinse of how I do it, there's a link for you there. The benefits are eliminates frizz, okay, and provides style definition. So it's meant to define these curls. You can see my curls, how they're looking, okay, and enhance texture with flexible hold. Creams never last me, except for Cantu. I've done a video on that too. But creams usually, I'm not really a cream girl, but I prefer gels. So we're just gonna try the cream. Let's see how long this actually lasts, if it's gonna hold. I'm gonna try it for 7 days. If it can last for 7 days, I'm gonna show you all 7 days. If not, I'm gonna show you how long it can last. Usually I don't have to refresh all week. I love products that I use once and I'm done. So yeah, let's begin. It actually gives directions. Apply cream to freshly shampooed hair. So what, don't condition? Do you guys, or deep condition? Use hands and fingers to distribute cream, saturating each hair strand. Okay, let hair dry naturally or blow dry using diffuser attachment. Fair enough. They've got a few points, but I don't have high hopes for this. This video is not sponsored by Temu. I bought this product. Some of my videos are, but this one is not. So I'm gonna give you an honest review and we'll see how good it is. I always start off by sectioning my hair into four. The front two parts I leave for last, and the back two I start first. And I always do a twist. This helps my hair to stay less knotty. Otherwise, if I just leave it, the knots appear like crazy. After I've sectioned my hair, I re-wet it with a spray bottle, just with water, detangle, and then I add the product. Now let's talk about the packaging of this product. They've put it in a pump bottle, and I actually really like these pump bottles because it's less messy, especially if the product is runny. And this product, oh my goodness, the texture is proper runny. But I like these pump bottles, but because the texture of the product is so runny, I find it leaks very easily. So they put a little top, but that means I've got to remove the whole contraption that pumps the cream out. This is very confusing because it's very messy. Am I meant to rewash it? It's just confusing. So the packaging is great. It probably is the best for this actual product. The slip is there, you can see, and It feels moisturizing. Silicone usually makes your hair feel soft, very soft, but the smell, it smells like lotion, you know. It's, guys, why did you do this? I really don't like the smell. It's not terrible, like, it's not a horrible smell, but I don't like it. Now, how does this product actually feel when I apply the cream? It feels smooth, but the product feels very heavy. For a liquidy product, it feels like a little goes a long way, but I added more and more because I thought it's a cream, this is not going to hold my hair, so I'm adding as much product as I possibly can. Now, one of the claims was that it enhances texture with flexible hold. It is really enhancing my texture. You can see the curls are defining like crazy. It does look like there's a white residue, but after a while it disappears. It's quite a thick product. Even though it's runny, it's very thick. That's probably why it takes a while for the white to actually absorb into the hair. I am raking the product through my hair because that's what it suggested. I was going to just use a brush, the detangling brush by Tangle Teaser, but I'm doing what they've suggested, so I'm raking the product through my hair. I'm going to tell you some pros for this product. Definition, I mean, look at the curls. My curls are defining very, very well. Number 2, I don't think there's going to be a crunch because my curls feel so soft and I love that they're bouncy already. Number 3 is moisture. Because it adds moisture to my hair, this is actually a very good thing. So the curls are hydrated and happy to form. Now onto the cons. This product is not lightweight at all. I think it's heavy. But maybe you need that for a cream so that the product can last longer in your hair. We'll see. The next con is Frizz Control. Oh my goodness. My hair has wet frizz already. You know I hate that wet frizz. But I'm going to trust the process. I am not hopeful. So maybe my expectations are very low. But maybe this product will pull it out the bag. Let's wait and see. Now, the hold. How long is this product going to hold? If it can last me 3 days, I will be happy. If it lasts me 1 day, I'm really not going to be a happy person. Because I've done all this to last me 1 day. No. That's what Eco Styler does at the moment. It lasts you 1 day and the next day, you got an afro. I love afros, but like, if I've put all this work in to get definition and then you give me an afro, you should have told me that's what you were going to do in the first place. Now the question is, so far, what do I think? Is it worth the hype? Have Temu got a defining cream which is worth trying? If it didn't have silicones in it, I would say yes all the time. But my first big no-no is remove that silicone. We do not need it unless you are going outside and swimming a lot and being exposed to the heat at a tremendous amount. This product is not for you. But the definition's looking good. The styling process is looking good. Like, everything else is ticking the boxes. So let's see what the results turn out to be. I thought I'd come to where the light is best. Look at this wet frizz already. Look at this. If this lasts me longer than a day, I'm gonna be surprised. I mean, it looks good. The definition is there, but yes. I'm gonna diffuse now and I'll come back with the result. Here we go, day 1 dry results. Now, considering I didn't have high hopes about this product, it's really looking good. I know it's only day 1, but look at the definition. And there's not like an excessive amount of frizz. Okay, there is some frizz, you can see it, but it isn't that bad. I am surprised, and my hair is soft, but it has hold. Like, seriously, I thought it was gonna be bad. I am really happy with this result. And now that it's dry, it doesn't smell bad at all. It's actually quite a nice fragrance. So the tables have turned from dry to wet. My application was not what I expected, but the dry results are so much better. This is day 2 Oh my goodness. Look at that definition. Hello. I know, okay, there is some volume, but that's okay. Like, you don't want your curls to be flat. And these curls are looking so good. Okay, Temu. Wow, I did not expect this on day 2. I thought this product was only going to last me 1 day, but hello curls. Yes. In the front, to the side. Let's try the other side. Okay, not as good, but not bad, eh? Day 3. Okay, it's still holding up. There's definition, but there is more frizz, of course. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, Temu's pulled it out of the bag. I gotta give it to them. For all the things I was saying, like, they can't do it, they totally can. This product is top notch, even with silicone. And that's saying something for me. Wow. So we got to day 4, which is amazing. But yeah, I think this is it. I gotta be somewhere today, so I'm gonna have to refresh or redo it at least quite a bit. It lasted me 4 days. This is actually amazing. I didn't have high hopes for this product in the first place, so for this to last me 4 days, well done. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the like button if you enjoyed this video? If there's anything else you'd love me to do, just drop a comment. I'm always here for you. I'm out of breath. And thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.